Mystery item, brand new, $3. Well, that's tempting.
I know.
All right, I'm gonna have to buy that from you. Morning.
I'm gonna get those bins, okay?
Hey, right there.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That's a pretty cool purse. Unbranded.
God, I should have shown this to Rhonda. Like $3. Yeah, I like that one too.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. You?
Pretty good. Pretty crazy.
Yeah, that's what my brother's into.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. They got the little hand one too, if he likes that. It's also kind of cool. Same kind of idea.
Oh, how much is that? I don't
Uh,
know. $1?
No hesitation on that one.
I'm a skull fanatic.
Dropping the little skulls though.
Yeah. I'm a skull fanatic.
Are you? Yeah. Found just what you needed. Wow.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
You don't have like a little paper towel or something, do you?
Yeah, I can get one. One sec.
Thanks, just wanted to... Thank you. Not sure if it's like battery acid or what's coming out of this thing.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Has to be, I guess.
Oops. Yeah, I guess. Would you take a little less for it, or
What is it priced at?
5?
It's
I'd do like $2.
Okay, cool. I can try to clean it out.
Yeah.
Let me get you some cash. All right,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah.
That's true, but we have too much. That's what I was just.
That's cool. How much is this? Oh, I'm
$2.
$2. I'll do $2. It's the first time ever I've hit my head on something.
Oh, you're funny. We probably don't have it pushed
$2,
up all
yeah.
the way. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. Have a good one.
She would turn on that? 16, okay.
How much is this Sizzix stuff?
It is. I don't know. Make me an offer.
15?
Sold.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Do you change for 20?
I do.
Cool.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Have a great day. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You don't have any Squishmallows, huh?
No, my daughter would kill me.
My kids are so addicted to them right now.
Oh, she would.
It's bad.
She would probably stab me.
Like they save up all their money for Squishmallows.
Yes.
It's crazy.
She just keeps bringing in more.
Yeah.
I'm like, nah.
I know. How much is your veggie bullet? Oh, is there a price right on it? Yeah, there is. 15 bucks.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll buy that too, actually.
Okay, perfect.
You gave me a 5, so I should have 15. There we go.
All right.
Cool.
Thank you very much.
Just like keep bringing it back to my truck and coming back.
Hey, you can do that all day if you want.
Yeah.
And that one over there, or that one down there. But my guess, you can ask them where the umbrellas are, and they will. I think they are.
Mystery item, brand new, $3. Well, that's tempting.
I know.
All right, I'm gonna have to buy that from you. I'm curious.
Curiosity gets everyone.
Yeah.
We just came back from vacation. They were doing it everywhere in Myrtle Beach, and I was like, that is genius.
What, mystery gifts like
Yes.
this? Okay.
Wrapped everywhere. Some of them just in like paper bags. Some of them wrapped nicely, all different prices.
Well,
Everything.
we'll try it.
So that's what you sold, was your mystery?
I sold my mystery item.
What do you
all
get for a
wrapped up.
mystery item?
$3.
I got a lot of mystery items.
Could be anything, yeah, you never know.
What a good idea. I'm gonna wrap everything.
Could be a pooper, could be a pooper
Just only
scooper.
wrap the new stuff. Don't wrap anything new.
A big Frozen fan.
What kind of dolls are these?
They are the, let's see, what brand were these? The ones that Target sells, I believe.
Our
So
generation?
not the, or
The
Target
face
or
looks
Walmart.
slightly
Where does it say?
different.
Nope, it doesn't. It says, what is this? I don't know what
That
they
is
are, to
Toys
be
R Us,
honest.
actually.
Toys R Us. Okay.
Interesting.
My
That's so
daughter's
bad that
14
I know
now,
that.
So it's been a while. How
Why
old
do
are
I?
yours?
I have a 7 and an 11.
Oh, okay.
I think it's just like I remember Jeffrey. Jeffrey's the name of the big giraffe. That's
Right,
why it's Toys R Us.
Yeah.
They have a lot of Our Generation, and they have a lot of what's the other one? American Girl.
American Girl.
Yeah.
Those are super nice.
Yeah.
Expensive.
They are. Yeah. These are cute. They have a very different look about them. It's interesting. I'll think about those.
This lady, ma'am?
No?
Cassette tape player. Some Billy Joel.
It's a puzzle.
Oh, it's like a calendar.
Calendar puzzle. Thank you.
Good morning.
How are you?
All right, how about you?
Pretty good. You guys got some theme music going and everything,
I
huh?
know. I said, man, we're being serenaded. And you didn't know it. I suppose anybody wants an Echo Dot.
Um,
That I don't have the box.
I think someone does, but it's not me.
There you go.
Right.
Someone in this universe wants an Echo
Somebody,
Dot.
but not me.
Did you not even bring a chair?
No, here's the thing. This is my first yard sale ever. So.
Jensen.
Ever?
Ever.
So you're going to be here 8 hours, and you didn't think about needing a chair?
No, I probably won't be here 8 hours, honestly.
Oh, if you need one, run in there and grab one.
Thanks.
Or you want one of the kids to get you or something.
Mm.
Hey, come stand on the shade anytime.
Okay.
Morning.
Morning.
How are you?
This
I'm
morning.
good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
She just got it blue from green. That's all green again.
We got thrown way behind. Someone's phone right there?
Yes.
We got thrown way behind because we were planning on packing last night, but then the storm. Gotcha. How much is it? Babe, that's your kid.
Smells good over here. It's best smelling booth.
I'm getting them out.
We don't call them.
Oh, those glow in the dark.
Oh, really? Interesting. Alright, let's open this up while more people set up. This is an 8 o'clock sale. I'm here way early. So I was shopping the people who were set up. I maybe should have bought those Journey dolls from Jeffrey Toys R Us, but I don't know. I didn't really want them. They only sell for like 20 bucks. But I bought a mystery item, so let's open it while we wait for more people to set up. See what we got for $3. Should be funny. All right, you ready? Let's see what we got. $3 at a yard sale, mystery item, brand new. Oh, I could TikTok this, totally. Where's my phone? All right, guys, I'm out yard sailing, and I just found a mystery item at a yard sale. Totally dumb of me, but I bought it for $3. Let's see what's inside this mystery item for $3. Look at that, it's a lava lamp from the lava company too. So actually that's not bad at all. Nice. There's my mystery item, $3, brand new sealed lava lamp. Nice. I see a brand new $25 free shipping. I mean, I might just keep it, honestly. All right, so look, guys. There's a $5 price tag on this Sizzix thing, and I gave her $15 for it. Oops. Look for the price tag first. Yikes. Rhythm. What is this? What is a rhythm?
Unrelated to what's in it.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. So what is in it?
Eel wire.
What is it?
Eel wire.
Eel.
Like crafts. So this is like a power bank.
Okay.
And you hook it to these and they light up. You can hook it up and test it out if you want.
Oh. What do you use it for?
You can like install it on. People use them for like costumes or,
okay.
like projects that need to be portable.
Gotcha.
You have like long length of glowing wire.
So it like lights up.
$2 here.
Okay. Yeah. Interesting. I mean, now I also need to figure out what a rhythm is because now I'm curious.
It was a headphone.
Oh, okay. Gotcha, gotcha.
Have a good one.
You too.
That's pretty fun.
Oh, I did have these.
Yeah, I was gonna say something.
Bedtime stories. That's cool. How much is this? $1. $1? I'm still just meandering around. I got nowhere else to be.
Right? The weather turned out great.
Yeah?
Oh, you can get them if you want.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
It wasn't sticking to the table, so now it will.
Did you do $2 on Ariel? Yeah. There you go.
sir.
Thank you. Hey guys, Dave here, the NC Picker. Thanks for coming with me to those yard sales. That was actually just a really quick yard sale trip I did when I was up in Williamsburg, Virginia. Actually, I think that was Newport News, Virginia, if you know the area. And I got some cool stuff. I was going to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, you know, having some family fun. And before they opened, I found those few sales, and I said, hey, I'm just gonna go hit those up. So that's what I did. I made a big blunder at that first one, or second one, whatever. The one where I bought most of the stuff, I made that blunder where I asked her how much for everything in the box, and she said, what do you want to pay? And I said 15. And then I get it back to the car and realize it was actually priced at $5. So I paid $10 more than she actually wanted. I'm assuming she forgot that sticker was on there. Not that she was trying to trick me. I don't think she was trying to trick me. But I did end up paying more than was on the box. I probably could have paid $5 for the whole box if I had asked. But again, it's not a big deal because I'm going to make good profit anyways. That machine I got, the die cutting machine, looks like it sells for $55 to $60. And I did a lot of all the different die cut things, and I think I did an auction starting at $20, but I think it'll sell for around that. I do think I'd get more out of those little die cut things if I did an auction, or I mean, buy it nows and sold them individually. I'd get like $7 a piece, but it would take me too long. Okay, and then I found the veggie bullet, and that veggie bullet's looking really good. I listed it for $129.99 based on comps. And I've already got 2 watchers on it and a lot of views. So I'm feeling pretty good about its ability to sell. I think it will sell for around $129. And I paid $15 for that. So that'll be like, what is that? Don't make me math. $100 in profit, $100 plus in profit. So really nice there. And then what else? I got those Elmo books. They sell for like, well, maybe Sesame Street, not Elmo. They sell for like $10. So nothing amazing there, but something. And then, look, I turn on my big light and I'll show you. I got this cool Furby at that other sale, and this is like a full-size Furby, not a mini one. I did test it and it does work. That was battery acid, so I had to clean out the compartment, but once I did that, oh yeah, see, look, it looks good in the light. Once I did that, it worked fine. And that looks like it sells for $59.99. I paid $2. She had 5, she took 2 because of the battery acid, so you know, gonna make $50 there as well. And what else did I buy? The Legos were too expensive, $2.50 a piece for those little minifigs. Wasn't interested in them. Oh, that little brass duck hose handle thingy I got as well. That sells for around $30. I paid $1 to $2 for that as well. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything good I got. I might have gotten a couple more little tiny things. Oh yeah, I got the mystery lava lamp. How can I forget about that? I did list that for $25. But yeah, it's not worth a lot, but it was fun to kind of open a mystery box during the video. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Check out my other channel, NC Flipper, if you want to see everything sell. And I'll see you next time.